After 13 years in an abusive relationship, a 40-year-old single mother struggles to get back on her feet. On a new path, she's hoping that her story will help others to find the courage to leave similar situations. Jamaica Maitland explains in the final of a two-part report.
It's been a little over a year since 40-year-old Natalie Williams left her 13-year abusive relationship. Now she's receiving counseling to help her overcome the physical and emotional trauma.
The counseling helped me a little to relax, but then when I come back home and think about all the problems, it's just like it started all over back.
The Caribbean Vulnerable Communities Coalition, CVC, has been assisting Miss Williams to get her back on her feet.
Recent times, the Bureau of Gender Affairs has opened a second woman shelter, so those kind of support systems are there, and we can link you if you reach out to us to these kind of services, as well as provide you the kind of support.
Mr. Thompson reveals that since the pandemic, there has been an increase in the number of women who have come forward to seek assistance. However, there are still some basic challenges, he says, with creating awareness about gender-based violence.
Something as basic as understanding what exactly is gender-based violence. Something happened to you. How do you classify that? Is that gender-based violence or not? You know, those kind of nuanced conversations. Lovers quarrel. Is that gender-based violence? This whole notion of if him don't beat me, him don't love me. You know, getting that kind of, erasing that kind of thinking so that people realize that this is in fact gender-based violence that you're experiencing, and how do we address it?
Aside from that, some victims fear being blamed for enduring the abuse. The other is starting life all over again like Miss Williams. Now back in her childhood home, the living conditions are less than desirable. However, the teary-eyed single mother says she's never going back to that lifestyle for the sake of her kids. It's why she's asking the public for some help, and also why she wants to become a tower of strength for victims of domestic violence.
And neighbors next door who know about abuse of persons, trust me, if somebody had called in for me, maybe man would have reached so far till I'm blind.
For anyone wanting to assist Natalie Williams, you can call her at 876-342-0177. And for victims of gender-based violence, you can seek help at the CVC. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.